pack to the lung, kill the stress to the head. I'm tryna do more for the soul, way less for the bread. Oh yes sir, I take pack to the lung, kill the stress to the head.
What's up guys, Justin here of Yugatech, and just a few months ago we reviewed the Realme GT 5G. Sure enough, it's a true flagship killer. And now Realme is bringing to the Philippine market this Realme GT Master Edition, which is a mid-range version with a new processor and even its own unique design. Let's check it out. So Realme sent us this cool PR package and we just want to quickly show you because it looks really dope. Anyways, inside this luggage is of course the black Realme GT Master box. As we open it up, we get this slim box that contains your quick start guide. Then underneath, we get the phone itself. Let's remove the plastic. There. You know what? Realme is truly not afraid to go bold when it comes to design. You can notice how they're putting a lot of effort into it. Okay, let's set this aside first and see what other things we have here. We're greeted with this gray silicone casing that matches the phone's design, then there's the USB Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and the 65-watt Super Dart adapter. And that's everything in the package. Now talking more about its design, this Realme GT Master feels slim to grip. It takes pride in its design since it's curated by Japanese designer Master Naoto Fukusawa that's known for his work with Muji, Alessi, and many more. As you can see, we have it in the Voyager Grey variant, which is obviously inspired by a suitcase design, and we think it looks refreshing and distinctive. You get that luggage-like structure in vegan leather material that does add an additional premium feel. And there's also a noticeable Realme branding together with the designer's signature embedded. We're liking it. But if you don't dig it, the Daybreak Blue variant is also available locally. It sports a metallic look that gives a holographic effect. The slightly protruding module at the back contains the LED flash in its triple camera setup consisting of a 64-megapixel main cam, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. For buttons and ports, alone on the right side is the power button, while on the left are the volume rocker and the card tray for 2 nanoside SIM cards. Yup, there's no micro SD card slot here. On top is a single microphone, while at the bottom you can find the loudspeaker, USB-C port, main microphone, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Flipping up front, the Realme GT Master flaunts the same display as the higher Realme GT 5G. That's a 6.43-inch Samsung Super AMOLED screen with relatively slim bezels, a punch hole notch on the upper left for its 32-megapixel selfie camera, the call speaker on the top bezel, and an in-display fingerprint scanner that's placed on the lower part of the display. By the way, we also get a pre-installed screen protector already. Specifically, this screen has a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels, a pixel density of 409 pixels per inch, a 120Hz high refresh rate, and a 360Hz touch sampling rate. Scrolling through so far, we get that smooth navigating experience that can be beneficial for gaming. Speaking of gaming, we'll have to test this more on our full review, so stay tuned for that. When it comes to internals, this Realme GT Master is equipped with a Snapdragon 778G 5G processor that's paired with an Adreno 642L GPU, 8GB of RAM, 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, and Realme UI 2.0 for software that's based on Android 11. We also get a 4300 mAh battery capacity with 65 watts Super Dart charge, and the brand claims that it can fully juice up the device in just 33 minutes. We'll update you guys on this in our full review as well as how good its cameras perform. In the meantime, check out a few sample photos that we got. If you're wondering about the price, as of the creation of this video, there's no official PH price yet, but we'll update you guys in the description box once it's available. And that's it for now guys. Share with us what you think about this Realme GT Master Edition in the comments below. And like usual, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.